Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So first and foremost, let me welcome you guys to my new beauty room. My beauty room is finally done. You guys can see my perfume back there. Yes, I will be doing a perfume collection hopefully in the month of September. But today I'm going to be doing a video on my BoxyCharm unboxing for you guys. So this is for the month of August 2019. We got some pretty interesting products. I did get a variation number 9, if you can see there. So I've watched a lot of BoxyCharm unboxings, and I had to say that I've seen a lot of 1 and 2 variations. My box was kind of different. I mean, there were some products that everyone got in their box, and then there were products that were variations. So let me jump in and get started. The first item I'm going to start with is the item that everyone got in their box. This is the Becca Set and Chill Powder. This has a retail value of $39. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So I do have to say that I am super excited to give this a try. I have seen some people that have ended up with flashback with using it. Today I am not powdered down at all. I look kind of oily, but I think it's because of my lighting, because in reality I am not this oily. I did use one of the highlighters that we got in a prior BoxyCharm. I did highlight right here, so I know this is highlight, but this is looking super oily on me, as well as right here in the camera at least. So the next item I'm going to show you was kind of a disappointment for me. I was hoping to get the Peach and Lily Glass Serum. A lot of us were hoping to get the Peach and Lily Glass Serum. I ended up getting the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This has a retail value of $23. I'm not too keen on getting mascaras all the time. I do enjoy the surprise and the value that BoxyCharm has to offer, so I'm not going to kick too much. It says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. The mascara I have on today is actually the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that we got in a prior BoxyCharm. Like I said, I love the value that BoxyCharm has to offer because you are getting a lot of product for the price point. So another item that everyone across the board ended up getting in their box is the Wonder Beauty. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. So this says that it has a retail value of $42. It says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier with providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. So essentially you are going to use this under your makeup as a primer base. I actually used the Touch and Soul Prime Essence today from BoxyCharm. I made sure I used a lot of subscription box products on my face today. So the last 2 items I got were variations, and I haven't seen too many of these in the box. So I'm starting to see more of this item, which is the Pure X Barbie Glitterly Pink Brightening Peel Off Mask. At first, I was super excited to get this in my box. So it says, created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie, this mask is packed with licorice extract, skin-nourishing green tea, vitamin B, ginseng, and 26 key botanicals to help brighten the skin's appearance without unwanted irritation for a visibly renewed complexion. The non-plastic glitter formula helps deliver immediate radiance for a healthy-looking glow that lasts. This has a retail value of $26. At first, I was super excited to see this in my box, and then I started seeing where people in the BoxyCharm community on Facebook were breaking out and getting a lot of redness and irritation from this. So sadly, I don't think I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to pass this on to my daughter, let her give it a try. If it doesn't work out for her, we're just going to toss it all together. So another item that was kind of on the fence, I have to say BoxyCharm was not the greatest for me this month. I'm definitely looking forward to my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Still going crazy. It's not here yet, and it's like the 13th of the month. It is on its way though. So one of the items, or I should say the last item that I received in my BoxyCharm, this is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. So the box looks like that. Says that it has a retail value of $14.99. Says elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. I don't wear fake lashes because I have a hard time putting them on. But you know what? In a way, I am glad that I got these. These are what the lashes look like. They are very, very beautiful, very natural looking. I definitely could see myself wearing these. I definitely want to give them a try. I do happen to have one of the Sephora lash sets here. Let me see if I can grab that out of my vanity to show you guys. Where it has one of the lash applicators in it. I bought that in hopes that I would end up wearing lashes more. So in conjunction with these, I think I'm going to go ahead and give it a try and try to wear some lashes. Hopefully it works out for me. All in all, not a bad box this month from BoxyCharm, but not the greatest. I definitely look forward to next month because it is a BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe month, so I love getting the bigger box. And so far the sneak peeks I have seen are really amazing. Really hoping I get the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contouring Highlight Palette, as well as, what else did I see in sneak peeks? I don't know. So that is my BoxyCharm unboxing for this month. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.